We are under a hard freeze warning throughout the entire night. As a matter of fact, it's in effect until Tuesday at noon. Temperatures could be as cold as 0 degrees. This is such a scary situation for everyone who does not have power tonight. This is the second wind chill warning that has been issued ever on record for Central Texas. Last night was the first time we were under a wind chill warning. Here's a look at an example of the feel-like temperatures. Austin feeling like 7 degrees below zero by about 4 a.m. Still pretty chilly as we progress through the rest of the mornings.
Oh, don't eat it. How does it taste?
It tastes good.
It does it.